Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix there isn't enough memory available to create a Ramdisk device. First method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right click run as administrator. Type bcd edit space, /set space bad memory space, bad memory access space, no. bcd edit space, /enum space, all. Exit and restart system. Second method is change BIOS settings. Go to BIOS settings, config, display, graphics device, change to discrete graphics, press F10 to save and exit. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.